All organisms must reproduce to ensure the survival of a species. Today we'll be looking at the male reproductive system, male puberty, as well as how gametes are produced. Hello everyone, this is the Science Chick and welcome to my video. As said in the introduction, today we'll be looking at the male reproduction system. This will be video number 1 of the Human Reproduction section of your exam, and this section counts 27% of your overall Paper 1 exam. Today we'll be discussing the structure of the male reproductive system, Spermatogensis, as well as male puberty. But before we do that, we first must understand the role meiosis, mitosis, as well as fertilization has in the human life cycle. All body cells, also known as somatic cells, of a human being are diploid. This means there are 2 sets of chromosomes in each cell. For a human being to grow or to repair from damaged tissue, the somatic cells divide by mitosis. The new cells produced by mitosis are identical to the original cell which they are divided from. In sexual reproduction, 2 parents are required. Both the male and the female produce gametes, a sperm and an egg, by a reduction division referred to as meiosis. Meiosis ensures that the gametes are haploid, meaning there is only 1 set of chromosomes within each cell. When 2 gametes fuse, meaning when a sperm and an egg become fertilized, a diploid zygote is formed. The zygote is then divided by mitosis to form a human being. The male reproductive system contains the main male sex organ, which is the pair of testes in the scrotum, various ducts and tubules, mainly the seminiferous tubules, the epididymis, the vas deferens, as well as the urethra, accessory glands, which are the prostate gland, the Cooper's gland, as well as the seminal vasculars, and of course the most obviously seen one, the external genitalia, the penis. As the table shows, each structure has their own purpose and function. We can see that the testes produce the sperm cells as well as the hormone testosterone. The scrotum is the site where the testes are held and are kept outside the body with a temperature 2 degrees lower than the body temperature. We can see that the ducts and the tubules have various storage and transportational purposes for the sperm cell as well as other bodily fluids. And the glands produce different fluids and mucus to protect the sperm cell inside and outside the body. If we take a deeper look at the testes, we can see that the testes contain the seminiferous tubules. Some of these cells divide into Sertolene cells, which provide nutrients for the spermatides to become mature sperm cells. The seminiferous tubules are surrounded by connective tissue that contain the cells of Langerhans, which produce testosterone. Testosterone plays a vital function, but its main functions are to help in the development of secondary male sex characteristics, as well as the stimulation of the maturity of sperm cells. Keep this in mind, especially for the fellas out there. It is very important that the testes are suspended outside of the body to ensure the temperature is highly regulated. The optimum temperature for sperm production is 2 to 3 degrees lower than the normal body temperature. If the temperature of the scrotum is higher, this interferes with the quality of sperm, resulting in male infertility. By having the testes suspended outside the body in the scrotum, the temperature of the testes can be adjusted by moving the testes either closer to the body in colder temperatures or further away from the body in warmer temperatures. Spermatogenesis is the production of male gametes, also known as sperm cells, within the testes. This process happens under the influence of testosterone during puberty. This occurs in the germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubules in the testes. During puberty, the germinal epithelium contains a diploid number of chromosomes. These cells go through a process of meiosis, forming haploid sperm cells with 23 chromosomes. These gametes may have 22 autosomes plus an X chromosome or 22 chromosomes plus a Y chromosome. Spermatogenesis takes place as the following. Under the conditions of testosterone, the diploid germinal epithelial cells lining the seminiferous tubules go under meiosis. Each cell that goes through meiosis produces 4 haploid spermiotides. Each spermiotide matures to form a haploid sperm cell. As we can see in the figure, the sperm cell contains 3 main parts, mainly the long tail, the middle, also known as the neck, as well as the head. The head mainly contains the nucleus, which houses the 22 autosomes plus the 1 sex chromosome. The acrosome, also in the head, has enzymes that dissolve the outer lining of the egg, allowing fertilization to occur. The middle part contains of the mitochondria, and as we all know, the mitochondria provides energy. This energy is used for the movement of the sperm cell. And of course, the tail allows the sperm cell to propel itself forward within fluid. Puberty is a period in which a male or a female reaches sexual maturity. Puberty usually begins between the ages of 11 and 15, but this can differ between people, so some people may have it older, some people may have it younger. During puberty, the sex hormones are produced which stimulate germinogenesis and sexual maturity. At the same time, secondary sexual characteristics develop. Within males, these characteristics include the production of testosterone, the growth of hair around the scrotum, the armpits, and the face, the deepening of the voice, the enlargement of muscles, and the widening of the shoulders, as well as the enlargement of the testes and the penis. That is the video of today, guys. Again, this is part 1 of the Human Reproduction System. Part 2, 3, and 4 will be gone through to the rest of the week. I hope that you come back for tomorrow, and I hope that this format is helping or working for you guys. I'm always open for criticism, so let me know if you prefer a different formatting, more information, or maybe a quick switch around. Yet again, I will provide some infograms for you also on my community tab if you need it.